Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss 12 zodiac signs and how to impress them, and this is going to be the second part of that video, and today I'm going to discuss 4 zodiac signs. First one is Leo, second one is Virgo, third one is Libra, and the fourth one is Scorpio. So let's start. Now, this is just a general perception, and there could be other planetary combinations in a birth chart. Okay, so this is just a very general and basic perception. So, Leo loves respect and freedom. Leo may like a gorgeous person, but at the same time, that person should be loyal and that person should always show respect to them. Only if a person surrenders completely to Leo, then Leo would love that person. Leo does not like dominating and frivolous personality. So try to be honest, loyal, and obedient and respectful to win Leo. One more thing, Leo could be a little possessive. So take permission before doing anything suddenly. They love to discuss about problems, hence discussions on different problems are part of their lives. Virgo. Virgo is shy, caring, and highly intelligent. Virgo loves intelligent, quick, smart, and disciplined persons. They don't like chaos or unorganized places. They may look simple, but they note everything. It is not always the money they look for. They love smart people. They love clean and tidy places. To win their hearts, a person should speak and dress well, but they may not like vulgar dresses. They may also not like stupid jokes and sluggish personalities. Virgo loves a person who has a rich taste and speaks like a friend. Libra is a non-violent and peaceful personality. Libra loves to make love to a person who is talented and ambitious. Libra loves artists, singers, dancers, and good-looking people. To win Libra's heart, a person may have to tolerate a bit of criticism. Higher social status, truly talented people, fashionable people, and a charming personality might be Libra's favorite. A person may have to show his or her love to win Libra's heart. They may like a little bit of drama, so romance in a dramatic way may win their hearts. Scorpio. Scorpio is a sign which is bold and fearless. They may like somebody whom they can rule. To win a Scorpio's heart, a person may have to be a real friend of that person. Scorpio may not like conventional attitudes. They love freedom. They just want a person who accompanies them. Okay, so Scorpio may like a caring and calm person. They are workaholic and they love somebody who also loves his or her job. They may not be a homely and disciplined and obedient person. They may like a person who supports them and not command them. Okay, so this is the end of this part. In the next part I'm going to discuss the rest of the signs. Okay, so bye bye.